You know what? I was going to wait to put the pipe on, my new Yoshimura pipe on the KLX, but I'm going to do it today. Why? Why not? The one hurdle I have is going to be getting the bike out of the shed in the snow. Yeah, we got like 4 or 5 inches. It's pretty much packed down. But, all right, we got to get the bike out. All right, so 45 degrees. Still got snow on the ground. I went out, got the bike out of the shed, and we're going to put the Yosh pipe on it. So, I didn't wash it after my last ride. Shame on me. A little dirty, but this is pretty straightforward and pretty easy. O2 sensors here. I'll just have to go up under the seat to unplug that so I don't twist the wires up and break them. And a couple of bolts and it'll be off. So I'll start it up when I start taking things apart, and we'll just let it run and I'll cut the video up. All right, let's get this thing taken apart. I need a short extension or a longer one, it don't matter. All right, so we got that wire undone for the O2 sensor. Now we'll take the 3 muffler bolts out. One underneath, it's got a nut on it, that'll come off easy enough. And I like using my Milwaukee 3/8 electric impact to take things apart. Really don't need to fish it all the way through. I just want to make sure I don't twist the wires up. And we'll get a wrench. And I will put a little bit of anti-seize on this one. I put it on the new pipe. So yeah, those wires are going to twist a little bit, but not bad. So there's the O2 sensor, and the stock pipe is now out. Good old Permatex. It's the gold anti-seize, and it is like paste right at the moment. And if you get a little bit of this on you, you're going to have it everywhere. This stuff is horrible, but I'm just going to get a little bit on the threads. Just a dab, that's all I want. And we'll pull the pipe back out. We'll put the O2 sensor in. Give that just a little bit of a snugging up, which is good. Pull the wire, slide that in, and the pipe line's right up with that mark. So we're doing good there. And don't tighten anything up until you get everything installed. So, rubber grommet, gold piece goes in from the rear. It pushes into that rubber grommet. Rubber grommets in, pipes in place. Slide the silencer on, line up the hole. They provide a bolt and a washer. And I am going to put some blue Loctite on it. You can't have enough blue Loctite. Brr. Being a Harley owner, I've got massive quantities of blue Loctite because you use it on everything. So, alrighty. Just going to snug these for right now. Top one I'm not even going to tighten yet until put the springs on. Oh, and they give you a puller for putting the springs on. Kind of nice. Spring, puller, give it a little pull, and it snaps right in. Put the springs on the pipe. Tighten up your bolts. Now, if you're running a dongle, it does come with a plug for the O2 sensor. I'm not. You don't go crazy with the torque. On the crush clamp, I'm going to use the electric impact. There you go. We will plug the O2 sensor back in. Everything back in place there. Hey, we're ready to start it up, so let's start it up. Put it in neutral. I did order the quieter spark arrestor for it. It's supposed to quiet it down quite a bit, but yeah, plus I saved quite a bit of weight. The stock muffler is pretty heavy. So, quick, down and easy Yoshimura pipe install. Enjoy, make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, hit the bell for notifications, all that other good stuff, and see you on the next one.